Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a couple of you have asked me about a Google Chrome update they got through the weekend. Well, it was released actually on Friday. There was a little update on Friday that was released for Google Chrome. So, of course, last week we got the new Chrome 117 rolling out. So if you go, if you're in Linux, Mac, or in Windows, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, Help, and About Google Chrome, the version has been updated to 117.0.5938.88 Linux and Mac, 89 or 88 Windows. Of course, if you see this now, September 18th, if you see this in a few days, there's probably another update as we have the weekly security updates that show up. So for now, that's what it is. But to say just quickly what's here, apparently there is a registry problem with version 117 where the profiles of the user are not necessarily loading correctly. So that means that you might actually be using Chrome. You might actually not see your own profile and why you are there and what you are connected to. And it apparently is an issue with the registry and Google Chrome itself. So they issued a fix for that, and there's a couple of little fixes here too. There's nothing security, so even if you don't check it out right now, you'll have that and the security updates this week. But nothing security, so there's no rush. But if you found yourself loading Chrome and wondering where your profile is, it's a problem that was discovered with 117 and fixed on Friday, late in the day, Friday, September 15th. So that's what you got in that Google Chrome update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.